Man, I need you to just watch this. I need you to watch this now. For the very first time. Just watch for the very first time. I had to pack. Just watch Ngobala for the very first time. Just be watching. You see this side, this road. Before you see vehicles like this, it's not easy. So you see people going. My brother, village Ejula. Village Ejula. Huh? Just watch. Some people say because they do arrange. Just watch. You see on top of this motor, Abi? Just the watch. Just the watch. Man, everywhere don't full. I will get to the site and show you. Everybody going to Zion. My brother, crowd of carry. I must confess, all my life, this is my first time of experiencing hold up on this road. If you get to our junction, you start seeing hold up immediately. I'm coming back from somewhere, and I decided to just stop. Man, Igbo Sirike. Just be watching what is going on. Just watch for yourself. All to Zion. All like this to Zion. All to Zion. To Zion like this. To Zion like this. Watch this vehicle coming. Watch this vehicle coming. Watch. Watch this vehicle coming. Watch. This one are this. The Ebuka people started there. One person. Man, all the kind of World Cup in over there. In fact, hold up. If you get to there, I just want to show you what is happening in Imo State. In Gopala precisely. Man. Yeah, Zion. Yeah, Zion. Go, you know, program na tomorrow. Program na tomorrow. Program na tomorrow. It has never been like this before. Everything you see crossing here is to Zion straight. Just watch. Man, if you come here, you'll be shocked. This one is about 25 minutes to where Zion is. So 25 minutes. I stopped here. We are just coming back from somewhere. I decided to stop. I decided to stand by. Man, if Rocha no they look at care now, only man for chance. This person no go see chance sit down. This one no be a by expressway. This one no be a by expressway. This is a che. This is in Gopala. From like this now is to a che. It's a che Grita. This one you get to Opala Junction to Aba. Be said this way. This is not the major road, you know. Just be watching what is going on. Oh. This is to Zion. Like this. Like this. Program na tomorrow. Program na tomorrow. Just watch. Man. To Ndi Igbo Ojo. Fear Igbo, man. Igbo Diego. So I want to ask one question. So upon all these things, watch ya, yanda abucha to Zion, yanda abucha to Zion, no. Yanda abucha to Zion, no. Now let me ask you one thing. There is a why I pass my judgment. There is a why I judge. I always pass my judgment this way. Is this man fake like this with this whole crowd? Is this man fake? Can such a man be fake? What was the pass? Program na tomorrow. Program na tomorrow. Now I make a promise to you that by tomorrow I will just step out from my own junction. Just stand on camera, just keep am for some minutes. They look. Watch. Is this man fake like this? Watch oh. 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 Is this man fake? Upon all these things, I want to ask you one question. Before you judge, think very, very well. Is this man fake with the crowd? As I speak to you in my village, you can't find house. All the empty houses are occupied right now as I speak to you. People are even stranded. Watch oh. Laanya nde buchapa. Nelu machine. Watch. Before you talk, you are based in Europe, and you said the man is fake. You say, oh, Africa. But there is power. The truth is that there is power. You never see, you never try, you never get encounter before. Okay, as I speak to you, there are over 15,000. The population should be above 15,000. From Nkwala Junction to Zion Grand, no be being so. Tomorrow I'll be there. I'll show you. I'll show you massive crowd. These people are still going there. Every bus you see crossing here. 99% of the buses you see crossing here. They're going to Zion. If this guy is fake, watch oh, my boss is the pass oh. Oga, if you see crowd, even you, even traditional ruler, watch oh, watch oh. Watch oh. So do you believe? What makes you think that this kind of man is fake? These people are also going to Zion. Even when people don't get, like in my place here, we don't have hotels. We do not have hotels, enough hotels. This is massive. This is massive. Politicians are coming in. Politicians are coming in. This is massive. Man. Men, watch out. Now, Matt, that woman carry you. Brothers, if this guy is fake, this road used to be a lonely road. You see Matt, Abby? You see Matt? You see what's going on? You see what's going on? This is massive. Let me tell you, the coming of Ebuka Obi is bringing in billions of naira into Southeast. Eziama kamno. Eziama kamno. The strength of crowd. My brother. So if this guy is fake, why will he be attracting such crowd? Do you know how much this thing will bring into Southeast? I just want to ask you. Do you know how many millions this thing will be bringing in? Hello, sir. Pastor, can I call you back? So economically, who are the transporters? Who are the transporters? Are Igbos. The shops. But I will take you far and go and show you what is going on. Obu Oberi Hill. Anyway, may God blessing Gopala local government. Kabu Zion no. Habu chapia water n'elu moto. Oga, this guy not be ordinary. This man is not fake as you think. There is something. If he is fake, why didn't you fake your own and become greater than him? Man, see. Chere nwere one tozo here can block oya. So I can tell you with what I'm seeing now. Just watch. Oh, all these things now this. Watch this vehicle coming. Now this. Vehicles coming, people carrying different things. Watch. Oh, this is Ebuka Obi. This is any bus. Most of the buses is Ebuka Obi. Man. Bro, if this guy not fake, you don't go be like this. Take this from me. So, if the man not fake, you don't go see this kind of crowd. Believe me. So if not fake, why you no go do your own fake? Carry this kind of crowd. Do you know how many billion this thing is bringing into Southeast? You don't know they are aware. All the kebab at World Cup.
Even more than World Cup, sir.
All the more than World Cup. The thing there. Every motor be agani but December na le go dika ndaba. People are coming. People are coming. Oga, Emana, that place is Jula. Man, one day, Makachuku Ekwensaga nyegi power. Ekwensaga nyegi power. Get the popular than Ekwensu. There's no way devil nyegi power. Get this year popular more than Ekwensu.
Man, can't too much you. Can't too much you. Can't from God direct.
Man, it's an horrible fake. But me pay I go eat. It's an horrible fake. Huh? Why will Satan give you power to be more popular than him? Hey, hold up. Nimo State today, Ebuka Obi is more popular than Ekwensu. I know they are telling you this thing. Or they more popular than the devil himself.
Nigeria as a whole, like this.
Now, wow.
Legodi. Mande keke. The Sodomites! God bless Ngopala. Oh man, lekwa anya o. Anya o. Man, if this guy na fake, it don't go be like this. Believe me. If this man is fake. Man, the whole shop on the Ishi Nkwala. Eh? Azuga ihe ka ebe nwere war. Azuga ihe ka ebe nwere civil war. Son shop ngwa ya agwala na. Lekwa nka le ka bukwa Zion. Ka we Enugu. Ndị ka si Enugu different places. Ma America.
Lagos. They have their money, but they cannot.
They sure know our brother Jesus. Don't say that. They go like a boy you go. What is it? So everybody was Jesus. Don't go there. Huh? Bamba, onye akare.
To the highest level.
Ebuka Obi will bet Naija. Buy go. Direct win. Go.
Man. Singing that. When na yo si biko. Mba as in biko. Ogedebe ha ga-ehi one night like biko.
My brother is already at to get a man
to see mama to this was carry mat for Oppo. They carry mat to see this one carry mat for Oppo. Na arrange be this. This thing arrange here come arrange. Wait to make a talk make you see. Nah, no jam me. Watch oh, na arrange be this. Na arrange be this. Just they watch all with the same poster. This thing, na arrange be this. One day, na arrange be this. Just they watch. Man, Ndi Igbo, chain echiche. This one pass juju. Na arrange be this. You know about arrange. If a carry again, once something is bigger than you, don't fight it. Oga. Before for here, we dey sell one plot of land 1 million naira. 1 million naira. As of today, 7-8 million. 10 million along this. Madam Obashi. 10 million. Even Anayayo. Watch oh. You are arrange. This thing arrange with you. Enya Ndi Igbo. Use what you have. Manelo Okada. Lanya Do you know that Imana only this thing, only this program has added to Imo State GPD.
Yes.
This thing add billions of naira to Imo State.
Yes.
Imo State government. Even the airport, Imam Wotawu flight in Imo State from 90 Monday. Imam Wotawu flight in Jabati.
Ticket will go.
I rode the car and did this.
Oh man, tomorrow my just Ishi Nkwala. Banya go the video, just banya camera. Hang here na tripod. Only with tripod. You just on or you happy at Attire power bank. Then just na account motor le na batago dini. Later, I was in a Zion Grand for thousands of persons. Yeah, Daniel, now arrange this. Now arrange this man, arrange this thing. This is Ebuka Obi. Now arrange this. Ndi Igbo nyere n'onwe unu aka. This man alone ewetala ihe unu na-achọ. Oh boy, who knows the next 2 years what will happen? The crowd people now bacha inside people onye ngokpara no here. Emana people jegacha elelem, ndị mmadụ jega elelem gana rent ụlọ. Elelem umundochi, umuneke. Obike, Umukabi. These are places I know about Okada 1,005. I got before. Man, happen no. Anybody for a fight to get this man, the Kobonya Hanya, test to go the brain on you. Believe me. In fact, let me know. You know why some of these things I say it. My name is Governor Isiagu. I say the truth at will, at all time. At all time. It doesn't matter how you feel about it. It doesn't matter how I feel about it while saying it. Moto kana abafe o. Moto kana abafe. Ndi Igbo, ihe ọma mere unu. Ndi Igbo, ihe ọma mere unu. Lee anya. Na just make 1 minute. Watch o. Na arrange be this. Na arrange be this. Ihe ọgba arrange. Ihe ọgba arrange. This thing ọgba arrange. Na arrange be this. Eji Ishi gi mee arrange. Ka eji anya gi mee nke arrange. Since these things are going on, enwebe onye ga-asị na ọ gagidere onye ngọkpala nara ya phone ya. Phone nkịtị na lie. Man. No, afar. Well done. People know me. May God bless him, Gopala. May God bless him, Gopala. God bless you for coming to invest in Gopala. God bless you. Watch out, though. This thing of orange. If our brothers are buying brand new bikes, in our orange. Come on, zone Ikel. Ihe carry go. Waiting big pass you. This man no be joke. Tomorrow I'll make video. I'll show you film. Yeah, for thousands of crowd. Peter Eze, you are blocked from this page. So watch you arrange. Now arrange be this. Watch every vehicle where they come the same man the same man Man, if Ebuka Obi is not real man of God, then God is aware of him. If Ebuka Obi is not real, then God is aware of him. This is where I put it. Whether you don't believe and don't worry. Bro, God is aware of this guy. You will not understand. I said, people selling pure water, all sold. Fruit, there is nothing Ngopala people will cook today, tomorrow, next tomorrow. There is nothing they will cook and bring there that they will not sell all. In fact, the Zion committee needs to tolerate certain things by allowing people to come and sell. Man, so when you never here before Gary or Gary my man Richawea, Gakuzo to Febe were retire. All of people feel una man rate before and the rent is here. Some places are near 800,000 before. They are not selling 6 million. Do you know what it is? 7 million, 10 million. Even an ayogi one day will go resembles. Do you know what it means? If Ebuka Obi is fake, brother, if Ebuka Obi is not a real man of God, then be rest assured that God is aware of this guy. My brother, forget this man. No fighter. After I must have talked today, tomorrow if you don't see me talk and do this, some of you will start fighting me. I have no issue with it, I have no business with it. I'm only doing what my spirit led me to do. Brother, if Ebuka Obi is fake, if Ebuka Obi is not a man of God in your eyes, according to your interpretation, you know what? Believe you me, God is aware of Ebuka Obi. One day, Lanya. Watch you. Man. Man. Moto, Ebuka Obi kwao. No chance. No chance. Brother, Emanande mad rent ya lock up store. Lock up store. Go and write this slogan. I will edit the caption of this thing and write it. If Ebuka Obi is not a man of God, if Ebuka Obi is not a genuine man of God, then God Almighty is aware of his oppressions here on earth. Take it. Take this one from me. Oh man. Man, don't fight this guy. Just forget it. Emmanuel, when somebody came with this trumpet here and half way and know what come. Watch oh, this one Ebuka Obi, watch oh. Watch oh. Watch oh. How far, wait on. I didn't get it early. Bro, the caption of this program is simple. If Ebuka Obi is not a genuine man of God, if Ebuka Obi is not a prophet in your eyes, if Ebuka Obi is not a pastor in your eyes, if Ebuka Obi does not need to live according to you, then be rest assured that God Almighty is aware of the oppression of this young man. QED. Man, watch you. I need you to look at the time on your phone. This is what we've been seeing since morning. This is to cease. This is what we've been seeing. If Ebuka Obi is not a prophet, if Ebuka Obi is not a man of God, according to you, bro, be rest assured that God is aware of his oppressions here on earth. Let me just show you something. This man. Ekwema, do you know the number of persons, the population that left Imo State due to insecurity? Do you know the number of persons, the crowd that left Imo State due to insecurity? Okay, at this point, nobody. This is a vehicle that just parked on its own. And I came to check. This is Enugu State branch. Brother.
Immediately after the Global Youth Convention Thanksgiving service on Sunday, 11 August 2024,
My brother. Upon the population that left Imo State, upon the so-called insecurity, as I speak to you, nobody is remembering those things. So nobody. People are entering deep villages, telling you, give me where to stay. Man, not easy. I'm telling you. So I'm just coming back from somewhere, and I decided to stop to do this. So, but it's fine, okay? If Ebuka Obi is fake, if Ebuka Obi is not the real man of God as you think, then your ancestors get back to this young man and they know he exists. Be happy that you are an Igbo man. Very, very happy. Igbo. Thank you.